Hi, and welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson with IT Martin. Hi, how are you doing? So, welcome. I hope that you have subscribed so that you can get notification when we have new lessons and that you are serious in learning Kikuyu with IT Martin. Kindly make sure you have subscribed, kindly comment, share, and ask your questions on the comment section, and may God bless you. So today, I want us to learn the name of different colors in Kikuyu. Okay? Yes, so, colors. Colors in Kikuyu is maragi. 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 So the first color is white. Color white in Kikuyu is moero. 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 Then we have black. Black in Kikuyu is moiro. Okay? Moiro. Moiro. I remember we had a cow that we were calling moiro. Yes, because it was completely dark. Yes? Yes, then the third color is red. Red is motune. Okay? Motune. Are we together? Motune. Color number 4. Color number 4. Color number 4. We will go to green. So most of the modern Kikuyu speakers will say greeny. Greeny. Yes, but you can have some old word for the color which is nyeni. Nyeni. Nyeni simply means vegetable. Most I can guess that this was given the name nyeni because most of the Kikuyu vegetables were all green. So the color was called nyeni. Nyeni. Number 5. Number 5, we go to orange. Orange, okay? We are going to combine this one because they have a common name. We have orange. We have which other color? Yellow, okay? We have golden. All these colors are called goikoni. 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 But most of the modern Kikuyu speakers will just say yellow. If it is orange, they will just say orange. Okay? Yeah, but you can have that Kikuyu name. Goikoni. Goikoni. Then we have number 6. Color gray. Gray is kefu. 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 You can call it kefu. And you can also call it kemohu. Kemohu. Mohu. Mohu is ash. Okay? That remains of firewood after it is burnt. That is mohu. Kemohu. What is the color of that one? It is gray. So you can guess where the name is coming from. Kefu. Okay? Kemohu. Like you are kemohu. Okay? So mostly in Kikuyu, if a certain vocabulary didn't exist, it could be given a name that is known, that is similar to how maybe it looks. Like this, kemohu. That's the color of ash. Mohu. Then let's go on. We have purple. We have purple. I think we have scarlet. All those ones, they will be referred as rakarako. 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 Yes, that is color purple. And then we have another common color here that I don't want to leave for today is blue. Blue color. Okay, good. So most of the modern Kikuyu, including me, will just say blue. But you can have the old word like biroiro. And by the way, we had Mount Kenya was called Kirinyaga. Okay, Kirinyaga. So Kikuyu called God Mwene Nyaga. Okay, Kirinyaga, where God stays. And then we had some hills. You can correct me in this. The Gong Hills on this other side, on this other side of Nairobi. So you find they were called Kiabi Loiro. So I want you to go and find out what was the original name of Abadea's Regis. What was the original name for Abadea Regis? And I think that is enough for chorus, okay? If you don't know the name of the color, just Tohoa, okay? Yeah, just direct translate that word, okay? Direct translate that word. If it is blue, you say brew. If it is green, just say greeny, okay? Yeah, so may God bless you. Kindly share, subscribe, continue learning with me. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. And may God bless you until we meet in the next. All the best.